welcome to your London Locksmith. Okay, we've got to drop it to the fire exit door, and they need a thumb turn so they can exit without a key, so it meets fire regulations. So yeah, we're going to change that to a handle version, and we'll see how it goes. Hey, welcome to your London Locksmith. Okay, for the fire exit door, we've changed the key to a thumb turn. So for fire regulation, you don't need the key to exit from the fire exit. So fire exit door, so it's locked. In case of a fire, all they need is the turn and they're out. Meets fire regulations, thumb turn, supplied and replaced, job done. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. Let us know what you think and what else we can put on our next videos. That's it for now. Be good and please stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.